Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photos and selecting the exact image you want to change back. Tap Edit. That immediately exposes adjustments, filters, crop, and live photo controls. Once done, scan the toolbar for Revert or Revert to Original. This is the key control. Make sure you are on the original image, not a copy or shared version. If live photo is active, choose whether to preserve the motion before reverting. That decision affects what data the app restores. Once you tap Revert to Original, confirm that you want to remove all edits. Photos restores the exact original pixel data and metadata. If the Revert button is dim or missing, it usually means the original isn't stored locally. Check Settings Photos and enable Download and keep originals so the full file is available. Make sure iCloud syncing has finished. Otherwise, you might be reverting a synced, edited copy rather than the device original. After you revert, inspect the image closely, zoom in, check timestamp and location to confirm it matches the original. If the original was removed from the device or iCloud only holds an edited version, restore from an iCloud or iTunes/Finder backup that predates edits. Make sure to back up first. If Revert remains unavailable, try signing out and back into iCloud, toggle photos off and on, or contact Apple support. Those steps resolve most sync and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.